Is it a good idea for NRIs to invest in debt funds? Financial expert Mr. Hariharan has joined us. Sir, what are your thoughts on this?
Just to give a perspective, while in a NRE FD, you will get only interest income. There's a possibility of also earning capital gains by investing in debt mutual fund. Again, it's a calculated move. There's a calculated risk that you take depending on which fund you select. And if you give a reasonably good time period, you can capture both in a debt mutual fund, which is capital appreciation as well as interest rate. Okay, 7% is the interest rate. So if you look at a comparable 7% NRE with so effectively, which means you need to generate close to about 10% returns in a debt fund to match your tax-free NRE interest rate, right? Which is possible, as I said, in some set of debt mutual funds where you try to capture both capital appreciation and your interest in.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.